Hey, what's going on? It's Darren Jamal from Social Living. Before you watch, just hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the videos I post. If you haven't yet, go check out my free collage pack on my website, socialliving.us. 100 pages of images you can use for digital collage, or you can print them out and use them in your traditional collage. Some of the same images I use in my work. Definitely go check it out. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.